photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is a biochemical change, means it's chemical change that takes place in a living being or that involves a living being, in which what happens in this biochemical change, what happens in which the carbon dioxide that is taken from the atmosphere by whom? By the plants. And how do they take in this? Yes, through their stomatal pores. As we have these nostrils, you see the holes in the nose. With this nose we suck in the air from the atmosphere. Similarly, as our nose do, similarly in plants they also have the structures, the small minute pores, very small holes in the underside of the leaves, in the lower surface. If this is leaf, say this is flat portion, lamina of the leaf or leaf blade, you know, under surface of the leaf many small holes exist. You know, sometimes we sweat, you see clearly I am sweating. So where from the sweat comes on my skin? We have small holes on the skin, right? They are called sweat pores. Through these sweat pores sweat comes out. Similarly, the plants underside of the lamina of their leaf, very small holes called stomata. These stomata open, these holes open from time to time as per the requirement or the climatic condition, and they take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Sometimes you see the source of carbon dioxide is not atmosphere. Sometimes the source of carbon dioxide is along with atmosphere. Sometimes here you must note one important aspect, right? What is that important? Sometimes the source of this carbon dioxide is respiration process. Respiration. In the next lesson we will be reading about respiration. Respiration process in plants, right? So not only the carbon dioxide that is taken from the atmosphere, they sometimes take this carbon dioxide they get from a respiration process too, right? And they combine this carbon dioxide and water together chemically. You know, a chemical change I have told you. Chemically means where the electrons of the raw materials or reactants are involved. That is a chemical change. They combine chemically and result this product, this new substance, that is carbohydrate. I was telling you the important feature or important concern about carbohydrate. I told all the compounds that are made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, they are carbohydrate if they satisfy this condition. What is this condition? The condition is that the hydrogen and oxygen should exist in that compound in the ratio of 2:1, means 2 on every 2 atoms of